In this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose in Cakewalk. Now to do this, I'm going to use this audio clip for the example. Let me play it before I actually transpose. This is just some sample audio and I hope... So as you can hear, it's just basically my voice speaking for this tutorial. So what you want to do is click on the audio you want to transpose and you want to go to the top, click on Process, and then click on Transpose. From here, you want to select the amount. You can, of course, click on the plus or minus or type it in yourself. I'm going to do, for example, 8 right now. Make sure transpose audio is selected and then click on OK. You could also go and select like different things. I'm going to leave it like it is and hit this OK button. Now, when you do this, it's going to transpose. Then if I now play this for you,
this is just some sample audio.
You can hear, of course, it's transposed my voice. Now, we could also do this for MIDI. If I go down here, Process, Transpose, same thing applies. If I do 12 over here, I'm going to click OK. There we go.
This is just some sample.
It's going to actually transpose it, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.